In this video, I'm going to talk with you about how we can run full-blown Microsoft Windows 11 OS in your iPad. And I will be revealing the secret how you can. But for just demonstration, I'm going to show you here. So here you can see this whole screen. And if I press here, you can see the Windows icon appear. And then you can scroll, you can see the apps that I have installed. Even let me play some of very heavy duty app, for example Adobe After Effects. I just clicked on it and here we go, the complete Adobe After Effects we have just loaded in our iPad, and that too with ease. So all these things being possible because of a software known as SpaceDesk. So what does this software do? Well, it can convert your iPad into wireless external monitor. And this way actually, you want to enjoy, let's say, Microsoft Windows 11 while lying on the bed, or you can roam around and take your iPad anywhere, and then you can be probably more productive using your iPad and then, working with Microsoft Windows. So there are certain tweaks that you need to make. For example, here you can quickly go in Windows and then in settings, then you need to go here in system, and I'm looking for display, and here what I'm going to do is I am going to set up my iPad as default display. So let me quickly click here, and I was looking for the setting which says make this display as main display. So as soon as I'm gonna hit here, what I can do here now is I can take my iPad anywhere and can use Microsoft Windows. Now let me open one more app that is pretty heavy, and this time I'm gonna open PTC Creo Parametric, which is 3D modeling software, and probably I think I also should enable on-screen keyboard, which should be here in accessibility, and here we have got this keyboard. So let me quickly click here on keyboard, and now I'm gonna say keyboard accessibility, and then I'm gonna turn on-screen keyboard. Now I can actually go back and let's look for Creo. Now I'm gonna launch this, and this app is pretty heavy, guys. So let's see how this app start. Alright, so the app just got started, and if I click here on continue, click on new part. So this way, guys, you can see I am able to run even such a heavy app. Now let's talk about the secret sauce or the magic that is running behind it. So the magic here is done by a freeware software which is free for personal use, known as SpaceDesk. So all here we need to do is we need to visit our app store, and then we need to download SpaceDesk for our iPad, and same you need to do with Windows. And now let me quickly show you how we can configure it in our PC as well as in our iPad. So starting with PC first, here let's click on Windows button and type EDGE, which is nothing but our default browser. And now here I'm going to search for SpaceDesk and hit enter. And this is the software that I was talking about. And again, not to worry guys, I'm going to also provide you link in the description of this video so that you can directly reach to this page. Now here click on driver available for Windows 10 and 11, and from here you can download your version. Most of us need this 64-bit Windows 11, but if in case you are using Snapdragon processor in your Windows, then for those users they need to download this one. And if your system is old and using Windows 10, probably in that case you can download this version as well. Now simply click on download. This will download the package, and then all you need to do is you need to make a double click and install it, which I would say is very straightforward process. Now let's switch our screen, and now we are in iPad. Now in iPad also we require to download SpaceDesk. So for that, let's click here and look for App Store, and now let me quickly search for SpaceDesk, and here we go. Here you can see we already have installed it. In your case, the get will come, then you need to simply tap on it and install it. You can also see the rating of this software, which is 4.7 average rating. That itself shows how good this software is. Now the last prerequisite of running your Windows in your iPad is you need to make sure that both your iPad as well as your Windows machine are connected to same Wi-Fi router or same network. And generally this is the case. If you are not using common Wi-Fi router, then in that case you will have to connect USB. Now I'm gonna click here on open, and then here you will see your Windows device. If you do not see it, then probably check your notification. Look for SpaceDesk driver is running or not. If it is not running, make sure you turn it on. Alright. Now you should be able to see your Windows device in your iPad. Now we simply need to tap on this connection. And there you go. Now here we have complete Windows in our iPad, and that too connected wirelessly. Now you can do anything inside your Microsoft Windows. So that's all guys from my side in this video. If you have got any doubt or question regarding any step in this entire process, please do let us know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you with that. At iPad Essential, our whole sole aim is to elevate your iPad experience. So if you are new to this channel, I would definitely recommend you to subscribe, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.